Hello and welcome to another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. My name is Mel and today I'm going to be sharing how you can make your own name tags on Twinkl Create. Firstly, log on to twinkl.com.au. Then, up the top in the search bar, you will see Create. Click on this. Twinkl Create is the quick and easy way to design your own resources to match your theme and classroom. You can create bookmarks, cards, display banners, labels, buntings, pretty much anything that you can imagine. Click Start Creating now. Then select the resource that you'd like to create, and today we'll create labels. I'd like to create name labels, so click on the grid that you'd like. Firstly, I'd add some text to my label. I will add my name, Mel, add new text box, and then you can edit that by changing the font, the size, the alignment, and any other feature that you'd like. Next, I'd like to add a background, and I will add a solid color. I can change the color up here, pick any that I like. I can add images. I'll add a rainbow. You can add borders. Change the color of your border. You can increase the size of your border, the radius. Once you are happy with it, you can have a look at it on the preview and then select your next box. Or you can make a master and have all of the tags the same and then continue. Once you are happy, click download now. You can add a title. I will say Mel name tag, and then your options, and you say save and download. And we always love feedback so we can improve our process. And there you have it. I've created my own personalized rainbow name tags. This has been another Twinkl Tips Tuesday. Join us next time for more Twinkl Tips.